येरादारी पुलिशेन वाडट्या रस्त्यांच्या अपघातांचेर नियंत्रण हाडपाक विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर खासा रस्तो सुरक्षा मोहिमेक मंगळारा सावन सुरवात केल्या. ह्या शिबिरांत वाडट्या अपघातांचेर नियंत्रण हाडपाक जी खबरदारी घेवपाक जाय तांचेर विद्यार्थ्यांक मार्गदर्शन करतले म्हण व्ही.ए. गुप्ता हांणी सांगलां. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Candid his briefing. Out of the few opening remarks, one of the remark was that what should we do to make roads in Goa safe and how we can reduce the fatal accidents on the road in Goa. So after these words, now these words have become a mission statement for Goa Police. We have adopted it as a mission and we are taking it as a mission mode to implement this, to realize this dream of making roads in Goa safe and to reduce the fatal accidents. Now, you see, it's very common to say that we need good engineering, road engineering. We need gadgets first, good roads, CCTVs. Is a long wishful list of ours. Whenever we talk about and think about, making the impact in this area. No doubt, all these things, this technology, road engineering, we have gadgets, equipment, training, they make an impact and definitely reduce the incidents on the road. But according to me, this is my observation and experience, the most important thing which can make an impact, which can reduce the magnitude of this road accidents and fatal accidents on the road is awareness. That's why we call it a road safety awareness program.
So people die, but maximum people who die are in the age group of 18 to 35. That is very disturbing. We believe, and it has been proved scientifically also, and we do all know by our regular observations, that the children in formative stage can learn a language faster than in any other age group. In the same way, if they are imparted right kind of education, maybe traffic education, law related education, cyber safety, or the education that you get go. In traffic related accidents or traffic rules in Goa, not only the enforcement, obviously it has to be stricter, but the education also plays its part. Only the punishment, only the enforcement of rule will not be able to suffice to reduce the number of accidents and reduce the number of fatalities on the road of Goa. Even though last year, if I compare, we booked around 4 lakhs of cases in Goa. In one particular year, until March of 2017, we have booked around 1 lakh of cases. And accidents have decreased say by 6 or 7% as compared to last year if we compare about 3 months of figure. But still, if we believe right kind of education has to be provided to children at the formative stage so that they become a good, better able citizens and follow the traffic rule. If we all know, whatever gadget we purchase, whatever machine we purchase, it comes with safety instruction. It comes with manual, how to operate. The same is true for vehicles that we purchase.